Now we'll start with our new chapter. Say Vivan. Vivan, unmute, please.
Ma'am, just give me 1 minute.
Why, you're also making a question or what?
Yes. Question.
Oh, come on.
Yes, it
Alright.
is your question.
But I'll not stop the video. I'll not stop my sharing for that, okay? Say Vanya.
Okay. Ma'am, I have made it a question that you have to answer it. Ma'am, first there is a circle, then a triangle, then a circle, then two triangles, then a circle, then three triangles. And then a circle, then you say what will come.
Okay, so the pattern is every time we are having one circles only and the number of triangles are increasing. So we'll
Yes,
have
ma'am.
4 triangles this time.
Yes.
Right, Vanya? Thank
Yes, ma'am.
you. Vivan, your time is up. Are you ready or else I'll start with the class?
Ma'am, I'm ready now.
Sure.
So what's the missing two shapes in this pattern?
Can't see anything. You're no, you're just not placing it. See your camera, Vivan, then you will adjust it accordingly. Look at your camera and then you can adjust accordingly.
Ouch.
Okay, a little more on the left. No, yeah, and at the top, take it a little top up. There you go. I saw it. So there's one triangle, one rectangle, one triangle, one rectangle. So again, one triangle, one rectangle, Vivan.
Yeah, but you have to choose which option.
Oh, I can't see your options. Okay, wait. So that is triangle C, C, C.
Correct. Correct.
Thank
It's just
you.
like the online questions you gave.
Yeah. Okay. So can you see something on your screen right now? They are saying critical reasoning. I mean critical thinking. And what is critical thinking? First you get the question. That is the problem. You think over it. You see how to solve it. And then when you get the right answer, that is the solution. This is called as critical thinking. Now what can be different over here? The thing which can be different over here is that every time you think about a solution, you might not get the first correct answer, like the first attempt correct answer. So if you are not getting it in the first attempt, try it again and again in different logics. Okay, so I have told this thing to all of you already, that a person who takes logical reasoning classes versus a person who do not take logical reasoning classes, the level of intelligence will always be different, of course, but the major difference between the two students will be that you can think of 5 to 7 logics in 1 minute. In 1 minute you can think of 5 to 7 different types of answers. But the person who is not practicing logical reasoning on a daily basis can only think of 1 to 2 logics in a minute. And that is a difference. And that is the difference between a logical reasoning practicing student and non-practicing student. Okay. So you people are in the first category. Do not worry. So here we have the first and the most easy question for the day. Look at it carefully and tell me which of the following 5 options will be a perfect fit for here. Sure, Shankar. See you on the next class. And yeah, Shankar, before leaving, please do the test. Okay, I'm giving you the right link. Just a second. Do not leave. I'm sending the right link in the chat. Just a second. Ranking and figures, right? Do not leave the chat. Wait a second. This is the right link, people. So if you have not seen it in the WhatsApp yet, please copy paste that link. This is the test you people have to do, and we'll have a discussion on next Saturday. Shankar, did you copy it? If yes, then you can go. Bye-bye. Some are saying 4, some are saying 5. How can the answer be 5? 5 is a simple triangle without a ridge. And this triangle in this row is like this. So not a triangle, that's an arrow. 5 cannot be the answer. So there are so many multiple logics in this question. Okay, multiple logics. No answers. Aditya and Shivansh, if you don't understand, only then raise your hand. No answers. Okay. There are multiple answers or multiple ways of finding the answer in the question.
Ma'am,
Say
I
Aditya.
don't see your screen.
Okay, Aditya, sending you to the waiting room. Shivansh, what about you?
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
I don't know. I will not tell you. This is not the way. This is the doubt, Shivansh. I have multiple times told to write it in the chat and wait for me to answer, right? Then why are you people behaving so impatient? Have some patience. Everyone is waiting for me to confirm the answer. So please wait. Okay. What happened, Ronak?
Ma'am, how to copy in an
You are doing it in a phone, right? So you have to hold the message, the link which I shared, no? Hold it for a little longer. Do not click on it.
in Apple.
Yeah. Yeah, in Apple also the same process. Hold it for a little longer. It will say copy text. Okay. I'm also using a iPad only, Ronak. So you just need to click on this and there will be an option of copy. Click on copy. It will get copied and then you can paste it anywhere. You can open WhatsApp and paste it in someone's chat. That will also be okay. All right. Now let's solve this question now. There are multiple ways of solving the question. There are two relations. One is the row relation and the other one is the column relation. Okay. Row relation and column relation. What are columns? These are column. Column 1, column 2, column 3. And what are rows? The horizontal lines. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay. Any number can be given. No problem in that. You can take any numbers. Okay. So what will we do here? We will be okay. So R1, R2 and R3, you can name it from top to bottom also as 1, 2, 3. That is not a problem. Okay. So there is a relation in every row and there is a relation in every column. If you check the relation of rows, you will see that row number 3 is having all triangles. Row number 2 is having all thin arrows. And row number 2 or row number 1 is having thick arrows. So every row has something common in it. Now what is the relation between every column? Column number 1 is pointing towards the top. Column number 2 is pointing towards the right side. And column number 3 is pointing down. So when I need row 1, column 3, I need a thick arrow pointing down. I need a thick arrow pointing down. And this is my perfect answer. Thick arrow pointing down. I know you people did not apply so much of brain in doing this. You just saw it and you got your answer. But the reason I'm telling you the actual process of solving these questions is because in the upcoming questions, anytime in future, if you get a hard question by any chance, then you will not get confused and you will know the process of solving such questions. Okay, fine. There is always a relation between a row and a column. So you have to spot that relation. Is this okay? Is this clear? Good. Yes, Panya, say.
Ma'am, I don't understand what you have done in row 3. There is in
Triangles.
row 3 there is okay. Ma'am, but I have looked like this. One triangle is up, then one triangle
That's
is
fine. That's fine. That's fine. I said no. This relation is also fine. What I am doing here is, in case you get confused in future, you can use this method. Like there is always a relation between rows and columns. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Say Navya.
ma'am in the row column, row section. This is first arrow, second arrow, and this is a triangle here. And in the
Correct.
column, there is only one triangle which is following column 2.
Correct. So that's why we'll search for a thicker arrow pointing down. Okay, Navya? Fine. Okay, thank you. We'll move to the next question. Have a look on this question. This is the easiest question for the day. Wow, Amoka, that was a quick answer. Swarnim, Amoka, Sanchi. 3 correct answers. Vanya, correct. Kirtana, Meera, Leela, Shiven, correct. Shivansh going wrong. Vivan, correct. Okay, Swarnim. Jian, correct. Shivansh, correct. Arav, correct. Very good. Meera remembers my favorite logic. Very good. Dhruv and Navya, you're right. So, I have a favorite logic in these type of questions. There can be multiple logics. Logic can be mirror image, water image. Okay. And my favorite logic is exactly same image. Good, Aditya. Exactly same image. If this is part 1, this is part 2, this is part 3, and the missing part is part 4. Good, Viona. Then look at it carefully. Part 1 and part 2 are same. Part 1 and 2 are also same as part 3. So what does that mean? That means part D will also be like the part 4 will also be exactly same as 1, 2, and 3. So that makes D as the correct answer for us. Say, Leela.
Ma'am, I use the same method you use.
Same pinch, like this. All right. So that was the right answer. And I told you, this is a very, very easy question to solve. And we have some more people. So yes, Kirtana and Vivan, coming to you. Say, Kirtana.
I also use your logic.
No, Kirtana, I did not hear you.
Miss, I also use your logic.
Same pinch. You like pinches? I don't like pinches. They hurt.
Ma'am, I also used your same image method.
Oh, perfect, Vivan. Then again, a same pinch for you as well. Okay, fine. Can we go to the next question? Yes, let's go and do the next question also. Now, this is a super duper interesting question. And 5 first correct answers would get unmuted for explanation. 5 first correct answers. Okay. You give your answer and wait for me to read the answers. I'll not read the answers now. Okay. Or I think because many of you have not given the answer, so I can read the answer. Kind of. Yes. All right. So let me read the answers now. Let me read the correct answers. Amoka gave the first correct answer. Krishant, it's wrong. Dhruv, it's wrong. Shivansh, it's wrong. Shiven, it's wrong. Vivan, it's wrong. Kirtana, second correct answer. Shivansh, it's wrong. Ronak, third correct answer. So please remember, Amoka first, Kirtana second, Ronak third. Sachi fourth. Good. Shivansh, that's not correct. Meera, are you sure? Are you sure, Meera? Okay, that's now you have changed your answer. Wait, Leela wrong, Arav wrong, Dhruv wrong, Vanya wrong. Vivan, fifth correct answer. Congratulations. You made it to the first five. Okay, Navya, Krishan, that's wrong. Meera, correct. Shiven, correct. But now you people are sixth and seventh, so I'll be unmuting five of these. Okay. Just remember your names, please. First one was Amoka, second was Kirtana, third was Ronak, fourth was Sanchi, and fifth was Vivan. I'll unmute you for answering these questions. Okay. Vyona, Vanya, and Dhruv, you're still doing a mistake. There is a very fine relation between box number 1 and box number 2. No, Leela, that's wrong. The same relation is between box number 3 and box number 4. Do it like that. Vivan, your cheeks will hang if you will keep doing like this. I got such thick cheeks because my cheeks got pulled so much in the childhood that my cheeks got thick. Dhruv, Navya, Vyona, now you people are giving the right answer. Good. Shivansh, that's not correct. Arav, I haven't got an answer from you. Jian, I did not get an answer from you. Then, I rest all have answered at least once. What happened, Navya?
Ma'am, I was confused in the colors.
No problem. Now don't reveal the answer. Wait. Now your last answer is correct. Okay. Now, no, Arav, still not correct. Okay. So now we will unmute Amoka first. So Amoka, first question to you is, what is changing? The most important question.
Top and bottom, ma'am.
Top and bottom position is changing. Is anything else changing?
No, and colors also, ma'am.
Good. Colors also change. Now, if this is happening, tell me, Amoka, why is option A wrong?
Ma'am, option is the figure is upside down, ma'am. Upside down, ma'am.
But what is not happening? That's my question.
Ma'am, the option C, yellow color should be the hexagon, ma'am.
Correct. The colors should also change, but the colors are not changing in A. That makes A the wrong answer.
Yes.
Leela, I'm not unmuting you right now. Why do you want me to unmute you?
You didn't read my answer.
Wait, I was talking to someone, right, Leela? How will I do multiple things together? Just a second, no? There are 8 chats and 8 people with you are waiting for me. Just a second. That's the right answer. Shivansh, Vanya, and Leela, and Aditya, and Arav. That's correct. Okay. Now, the next one was Kirtana. Kirtana, why is option B wrong?
Because of the shape.
Very good. Because of the shapes. We do not need these two shapes. Rectangle and triangle was something at the top. We don't need it at the bottom. Perfect, Kirtana. Thank you. The third one was Ronak. Ronak, unmute and tell me, why is option D wrong?
Ma'am, option D is wrong because of the third image and the D image both are same.
Exactly correct, Ronak. Very good. So did you observe, everyone, that the third and the fourth figure are going to be same if I take option D. So that's why it's wrong. Thank you, Ronak. And one more is Sanchi. Sanchi, you will tell me why is option E wrong? Correct, Krishan.
Teacher, the colors don't change in this one.
Colors don't change?
Sorry, the shapes don't change.
Yes, the colors are changing, but the shapes don't change, and that's why we will say that option E will be wrong. Hexagon is still at the top and semicircle is still at the bottom. Good, Sanchi. Thank you. And lastly, we'll go to Vivan and we'll ask him why, Vivan, why is option C correct?
Why option C is correct? It's because the colors and the shapes are changing.
Yes, both things are changing together. So that makes it the right answer. Very good, Vivan. Thank you so much. Others, I think you all understood this question pretty well now. We discussed all the reasons why every option is wrong and why one option is correct. What was the logic also we discussed. So I don't think you have any more confusion over here. Very, very nice. Now we'll go to the next question, the last question for the day. And I'll show you the test link again in the chat. Okay, the last question for the day. Amoka, take some time. Okay. Good, Shiven. Good, Meera. Good, Kirtana. Good, Krishant. Good, Shivansh. Very good, Leelakant. Very good, Vivan. That's right. Ronak, Navya, Dhruv, Aditya, Sanchi, correct. Okay. Vanya, no, no. Okay, fine. Now we'll do the explanation of this question. Vivan, you have any doubts? Your hand is raised up. Say.
Wanted to tell you which method I used.
No, 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 please, no.
I saw
Arav, wrong.
factor. It was plus equal
Oh,
multiply.
no. Vivan, please, mute yourself. Arav, Vyana, it's not correct. Jian and Vanya, it's correct. Good. Okay, so Vyana and the people who are giving me the wrong answer, please focus over here. What's happening? Vyana, unmute. And one more was Arav. Arav and Vyana, unmute yourself. Answer me one by one. Vyana, what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
color in the row 1? Oh,
Yes,
Arav, there's a lot of background noise from your end, so I'm muting you back. Arvan, what is the background color, Vyana?
Ma'am, the background color is yellow.
And the inside color is blue.
Inside color is blue.
Same, come to row number 3 now. Background color is
Background color is yellow.
blue.
Blue.
Hey,
And
row number
the inside color is yellow.
yellow. This row, these 3. Row 3 means this.
Ma'am, that
Yeah.
background color is yellow and inside color is white. Makes D the
Vyana,
option.
what are you saying? What are you saying? Row 3 is this what I am talking about.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the background color?
Blue.
Blue. What is the inside color?
White.
Done. Now you were saying D is the answer. Why is it wrong? We don't need the background as white, no, Vyana? We need
Yes,
the
ma'am.
background as blue. So if we
Blue.
need the background as blue,
Option E is the correct answer.
perfect. So that's the only logic you need here, Vyana. Background color and inside color. Okay. There can be multiple logics as well. You can go by the signs also, Vyana. You can say that everything is multiplied here, ma'am. So I'll go for a multiplication sign. So that leads me to another two. There are multiple logics, Navya. I don't need to hear that. I can tell you that if you go down like this, it will be multiply, multiply, multiply. So you have to search for 2 multiplications. And then again, you have to search for the color. So the shortest way possible to do this question is to just take the background color and the inner color. Okay, everyone? No doubts? Okay, now quickly I'm going to show you the, in the chat I shared with you, right? The test link. So the same test link is already provided to you on WhatsApp. Fine. So when will you give the test? You will be giving the test after this class, anytime before the next class, that is Saturday. Okay. So how will your test paper look like? Let me show you. If you open the link which I shared in the chat again, you would get this page. You will have to click on download test. Okay. And under download test, you will be getting your entire test paper, like just showing you. This should be your test. This is how your test should look. This is test number 4. And in your WhatsApp, I repeat, in WhatsApp, it has been already shared, as they have mentioned me and as kids are also saying in the class. It was shared half an hour before the class began. Okay, so this is the test link shared on WhatsApp also, and the link which I have shared in the chat, it's the same link. How will you give the test? The process remains the same. Take your notebook, write down the question numbers, answers in your notebook, and once you're done, stop the timer. Note the time you have taken to complete all the 20 questions here. And once you're done, you will go back to the website and click on submit answers. This one. Wait, this one, submit answers. What will happen next? You will click on submit answers, a Google form will open up. So since you will fill your information, like you will fill your email address, your name. Okay, there are 2 fields of email address. You can skip one. And since there are no questions written over here, you will go back to your notebook. And if there you have written 1A, 2A, 3D, then using that, you will select your options here, 1A, 2A, 3D, like this. And once you have completed, you will go down and you will click on the submit button. Please submit the test before Friday. Please submit the test before Friday so that I can get your scores by Saturday. Okay, do not miss out on this. Make it a short point that you complete the test on Friday or before Friday, any day. You can also do it today if you are free. Okay. And what will be the exercise you people will be doing? You people will be doing days and dates exercise. Days and dates exercise is what you people have to do as a homework. Okay. Any questions? Say Aditya. Amoka, Navya coming.
This test link you send in WhatsApp.
Yes, half an hour before it has already reached your parents' WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Amoka?
How many minutes do we have to do, ma'am? How many minutes we have to do this, ma'am?
I expect you to complete the test anytime within 25 minutes, Amoka. Not more than that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anytime less than that will be very good. Say, Navya.
Ma'am, I have 2 things to say.
Please say.
Ma'am, if I have to do correction of the question, that will take me some time to do, and for finding the answer of the question, it will take me 25 minutes. If I take 1 minute extra, it will okay.
You can take that, Navya, but try to reduce that time. Okay? You should be able to do the questions faster and then recheck also in the same time. Okay? Good.
And I have to answer the question before this Friday or next Friday?
This Friday.
Okay.
Okay, Navya. Thank you.